which we never know. Just hold on, keep going on. Why wait if you can't go? I think we both know. Just hold on, you keep going on. You and I, we've been through this phase, so be.
Guys,